Good morning fellows, today I have a very special episode for you. I'm going to try and finish a client project from the very beginning to the very end in 5 hours.
Ladies and gentlemen, we will arrive in Tampere. Thank you for traveling with us and welcome aboard again.
So I just arrived to Tampere, so I have to go back home and prepare, so I'm starting from the very beginning. And the challenge here is that, well, you know, normally when you do something like this, you do a client project, then the editing comes and you procrastinate on the editing and you don't get it done and the project lingers for a long time. Well, this time I'll do my best. So, okay, let's start the clock. It's 9:06, so I have to get the whole thing done before 2 p.m. Good morning, Tony.
Morning, sir.
The gear that I'm gonna take with me to the shoot. Well, camera, GH5, Rode video mic, gray card, some filters, a strap, extra batteries, lavalier mic, a recorder, extra lens, 50mm. All these are monopod, color checker passport, though I'm not sure if I even need it, and then a drone. This is all the gear that I'm gonna take, and this is all the gear that I really need. And then I need these. Preparation's done and we are 40 minutes in. So the city where I live is building a tramway and they hired me to do some social media content for them. So here we are filming and interviewing these guys who build the tramway. Okay, the shoot is done. I had some issues with the drone, but I was able to do it. A bit of a stress there. But now I'm done and now I'm gonna go home and start editing. Okay, so next, empty all the memory cards of the computer. So first I'll create proxies with Edit Ready, which is a faster software for creating. Joo, kerran. And then I just have to wait for the proxies to do, and I'm gonna eat my lunch in this short window of time. I have learned that for efficient workflow, I mean efficiently getting things done, it's really important to just avoid all kind of procrastination, because I guess editing is a bit tedious and it's a bit difficult, so you easily start procrastinating on it and then it just lingers and lingers and lingers. Just do it and do it now. I must admit that if you would not be there, if I would not be doing this video, I would probably procrastinate on the edit as well. Because I don't have a deadline for it, I would just for no reason just not do it and have it on the back of my mind stressing me out for a couple of days. Eventually I would do it. But thank you guys, now I'm gonna do it now in 5 hours. Okay, lunch is done and then I'll start editing. So now I have about 1 hour left for this 5-hour limit. I'll just start. Done, it's rendering and we're still in schedule. It took me 5 hours and I got 500 euros from this gig, so that means I got 100 euros for 1 hour, and that's all profit because I didn't use any rent, I didn't rent any gear, we didn't use any money for the transport, so that's quite good. For example, if I shoot a wedding here in Finland, I get 1,000 euro on top, 2,000 euro for a whole day, and then I still would edit it for 2 days. And because I procrastinate, I would probably edit it like 1 week or something. So this was 5 hours, no stress, everything done, and a really nice payment for 1 hour. So maybe you could start doing this kind of things, like simple edits for companies and like, yeah. Just an idea. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. And if you wanna learn more, in the description there's a link for a Facebook group where you can find, this is a Facebook group of this YouTube channel. There you can find like-minded people talking about these things, like how to make good videos and how to get more money. And yeah, I guess just join the channel, join the Facebook group, subscribe to this channel, and now I'm gonna show you this video that I just created. Okay, see you in the next video, bye.
Mä oon Joni Virkki ja mä oon työjohtajana tässä Pirkan kadulla. Ollaan Pyynikintorin maisemissa. Elikkä viime vuonna aloiteltiin tekemään johtosiirtoja justiinsa tulevan ratikkalinjan vuoksi. Saadaan tosta kaikki ylimääräiset jätevesilinjat ja kaapelilinjat vietyä tonne sivulle. Ja niitä tehtiin ja ollaan vielä jatkettu tänä vuonnakin. Kun ollaan saatu käytännössä kaikki johtosiirrot tehtyä, sen jälkeen ruvetaan tekemään kiskojen kuivatuksia. Ja sen jälkeen käytännössä, kun ratikan putkireitit ja muut on tehty sinne sivuille valmiiksi, niin voidaan tehdä laatta, johon tulee sitten kiskot kiinni.
Salon Tomi ja VR-trackilta ja työmaamestarina tässä lohko ykkösellä kiskopuolella. Pirkan kadulla laitetaan kiskoja ja pöllejä. Pöllit tulee tuonne kiskon alle 1,5 metrin välein, johon sitten tuetaan toi kisko kiinni. Ja siitä tulee juuri tuon ratikan kulkureitti. No, niin näin raskasta työtä tehdään ihan päivittäin tässä ratikkatyömaalla. Me laitetaan tuommoista kiskon reunaan tuommoista ääniristikumia hakataan paikalle.